Ever been in a situation where you're out with friends, ready to split the bill, and you realize your Vivid account is running on empty? The last thing you want is to be stuck washing dishes. Today, we're tackling a super common question: how do you top up your Vivid account? Whether you're a savvy saver, a frequent spender, or a curious newcomer to the world of Vivid, understanding how to add money is key to making the most of all its features. Vivid isn't just another banking app, it's a financial toolkit designed to put you in control of your money, from cashback rewards to stock investing. But none of that is possible if your digital wallet is empty. I'm going to walk you through the 3 simplest and most common ways to top up your account. No fuss, no complications, just quick and easy steps to get you back in the game. Hashtag method 1, the instant bank transfer. This is probably the fastest way to get money into your Vivid account. If you've already got another bank account, this method is for you. First, open up the Vivid app and tap on the *** money and *** button. You'll see a few options pop up. The one you want is *** transfer from my bank account ***. The app will then show you your unique Vivid IBAN and the name of the bank associated with your account. You'll need this information. Now, switch over to your other bank's app or website. You'll set up a standard bank transfer, just like you would for any other transaction. Enter your Vivid IBAN as the recipient's account number and your name as the account holder. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer. A major plus here is that transfers from many banks, especially within the SEPA region, are processed almost instantly. So, within a few minutes, you'll see the funds reflected in your Vivid account, ready to use. Hashtag method 2, the debit card top-up. What if you need to top up even faster and you have a debit or credit card handy? This is a great alternative. In the Vivid app, once again, tap on *** money and ***. This time, choose *** top up with a debit/credit card ***. You'll be prompted to enter your card details, the card number, expiration date, and the CVV. You can also save the card for future use, which makes subsequent top-ups a breeze. Enter the amount you wish to add, and a confirmation screen will appear. You might be asked to authorize the payment through your bank's security protocol, like a one-time password or fingerprint scan. Once confirmed, the money hits your Vivid account immediately. This is the ultimate method for when you're in a rush and need funds right now. Method 3, getting paid by a friend, peer-to-peer transfer. This method is super convenient and perfect for when a friend owes you money or you're splitting a cost. Make sure your friend also has a Vivid account. Inside the Vivid app, you can request money from a contact. Simply go to the *** payments *** tab, and you can either send a payment or request money from a contact in your phone book who also uses Vivid. This is a seamless way to receive funds from friends or family members. The money is transferred from their Vivid account to yours instantly and with no fees. It's perfect for paying back a loan, splitting a restaurant bill, or covering concert tickets. So there you have it, 3 simple and effective ways to keep your Vivid account topped up and ready for anything. Whether you prefer the instant bank transfer, a quick debit card top-up, or a peer-to-peer payment from a friend, Vivid has made it incredibly easy to manage your money. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.